Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has officially launched iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5, marking the fifth update to its iOS 18 and iPadOS 18 operating system, originally released last September. The latest updates arrived just over a month after iOS 18.4 and iPadOS 18.4. Eligible iPhone and iPad users can install the update over the air by heading to Settings, General, and Software Update section. It's worth pointing out that iOS 18.5 bin number is 22F76, meaning users with a release candidate may still receive a final update, while iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5 are relatively minor in scope. They introduce a few notable features and fixes. Now take a look at the new add-ons and bug fixes. New Bright Harmony wallpaper. Apple's Bright Harmony wallpaper has bold, colorful stripes that change position as you move and lock or unlock your device. Screen time improvements. Parents will now receive alerts when a screen time passcode is entered on a child's device. Buy with iPhone now supported when purchasing content within the Apple TV app on third-party devices. Fixes an issue causing a black screen in the Apple Vision Pro app. And last but not the least, carrier satellite support, now enabled for all iPhone 13 models. Note that some features may vary by region or device, therefore keep this important thing in your mind. And that's about it. With iOS 18.5 having been rolled out, Apple is turning its entire attention to iOS 19 and iPadOS 19 expected to be unveiled at the Worldwide Developers Conference 2025. And iOS 18.6 update is also in the pipeline aimed at bringing Apple intelligence to users in China.